The 10 most powerful four-cylinder cars. In recent years, the trend for high-performance cars with smaller engines has grown significantly, and the four-cylinder engine has become a popular choice among automakers. Thanks to advancements in turbocharging and direct injection technology, four-cylinder engines are now capable of producing impressive power while remaining fuel efficient. These cars are not only fast, but also offer outstanding handling and driving experience. Let's take a look. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. 10. Subaru WRX STI. Turbocharged 2.5-liter flat-four, 310 up, 290 pound-feet. The Subaru WRX STI is a sporty sedan that features a direct injection turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 310 horsepower. The suspension was tuned to handle any road and has quick ratio steering. While the STI doesn't have a particularly loud exhaust note, most owners replace it with a set of B-fire pipes. 9. 2022 Volkswagen Golf R. Turbocharged 2.0-liter inline four-cylinder, 315 up, 295 pound-feet. The redesigned Golf GTI has helped set the tone for the redesigned 2022 Golf R. While the GTI was a significant redesign, the Golf R is the next evolution of the hot hatch. The next generation R model will feature a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with 315 horsepower. The vehicle also features a torque vectoring all-wheel drive system and individual drive mode. 8. Volvo XC90 T6. 2.0 liters turbocharged and supercharged i4, 316 up, 295 pound-feet. The turbocharged 2.0 liters four-cylinder engine in the Volvo XC90 T6 produces 316 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Its direct fuel injection and automatic start and stop systems make it a very smooth ride. There are some complaints, though, including the noises it makes from the turbocharger. The XC90 T6 is one of the leading luxury crossover SUVs on the market. 7. BMW 740e xDrive iPerformance. Turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder and an electric motor, 322 p. The BMW 740e combines a twin-turbo 2.0 liters four-cylinder engine with an electric motor for a combined 322 horsepower. The hybrid vehicle also has a 9.2 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery pack, which gives it a range of 14 miles when fully charged. You can recharge the battery at an electrical outlet or while driving on a regular basis. 6. 2020 Ford Mustang EcoBoost High Performance Package. 2.3 liters turbo i4, 330 up, 350 pound-feet. The high-performance Mustang is a significant upgrade over the base model. It features a stiffer suspension, a larger turbo, a thicker rear anti-sway bar, and heavier strut towers, forced injection, and a 2.3-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine to produce 330 horsepower. This makes the 2020 Mustang the most powerful pony car in America. 5. Ford Focus R S. Turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder, 350 pound-feet. The Ford Focus RS is a sporty car with an all-wheel drive system and a 350 horsepower engine. It also includes upgraded suspension and 19-inch wheels with Michelin Super Sport tires. Other features of the Focus RS include HID headlamps, an electronic power steering system, 10-speaker Sony audio, and additional gauges. Recaro racing seats are available and are heated and leather trim. This vehicle's lowered stance gives it a dramatic look. 4. Porsche 718 Boxster S. Turbocharged 2.5-liter flat-four, 350 up, 309 pound-feet. The 2020 Porsche 718 Boxster S is the most potent four-cylinder 718 available. A 2.5-liter turbocharged flat-four spins out 350 horsepower and 309 pound-feet of torque. Porsche says a 718 Boxster S with PDK will reach 60 miles per hour from a standstill in 4 seconds flat, assisted by a launch control system. 3. Porsche 718 Cayman GTS. Turbocharged 2.5-liter flat 4-cylinder, 365 up, 309 pound-feet. The 2018 Porsche 718 Cayman GTS is the newest addition to the popular two-door sports car lineup. The turbocharged 2.5-liter flat 4 makes 365 F, and the updated model comes standard with torque vectoring, adaptive suspension, a mechanical limited slip differential, and 20-inch wheels. The 2018 Porsche 718 Cayman GTS is expected to hit 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds and reach a top speed of 180 miles per hour. 2. Volvo S60 T8 Polestar. 2.0 liters supercharged and turbocharged DOHC 16-valve i4 plus electric motors, 415 F, 494 pound-feet. If you're in the market for a new luxury sedan, the Volvo S60 T8 Polestar is the car for you. The T8 power plant features a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with 2 electric motors. A special Polestar-engineered version of the T8 boasts 415 horsepower and a 494 foot-pound of torque. The T8 is most lively in power mode, which has an estimated 0 to 60 amp time of 4.3 seconds. In consumer guide testing, the car averaged 4.77 seconds. 1. Mercedes-AMG CLA45 S. Turbocharged and intercooled DOHC 16-valve inline-4, 460 amp, 369 pound-feet. The 2.0-liter 139 engine produces 416 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque. The car's acceleration is impressive. It can hit 100 kilometers in 4 seconds and top out at 168 miles per hour. The CLA45 S is the most powerful production compact car in the world. That brings us to the end of this video. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.